Dus ik neem je vast weer omhoog.
What are you doing here? Are you playing a board game?
Yes.
Which board game is this? Is this the one we gave for his birthday, Mahan?
No, this is the one I bought before already.
Look at that, the monkey is hanging! What is that? What are you doing there? Nagbakwit na sila, guys. Seryosohan na talaga. Tingnan nyo ang mag-ama ko. Gano'n tayo ng vitamins namin ni Daniel mag-prepare. Ang tower nila, oh, grabe na.
Power zeker. Ja, dat dacht ik wel. En waar moet ik komen dan?
Yan ang kanilang banding.
Omhoog?
Ja.
Dan wilde ik super hoog bouwen.
BND. And then?
En dan kun je...
Wow!
Ja, we zitten bovenop zetten. Ja, oké, gaan we zitten. Dat is toch niet goed? Dat is toch niet goed?
Dan kan papa niet naar boven.
Hij valt om, hij valt om.
Oh!
Nou, nee, afgelopen nu. Ik wil eten.
Ik heb honger ook.
Oh, good. What do you want to eat?
Bread.
Hoy, Pagsure!
I want the bread.
But you already had bread, baby love.
Bread.
Bread, bread, ito, bread, bread. Yogurt ice cream. So happy?
Happy jaar.
Happy yan. Sarap to, guys. Paborito ko to. Greek yogurt. Very thick. Look. Kumain na kasi yan kanina kung nanood kayo ng vlog kahapon. Kaya hindi ko na siya ipag-bread. Lagyan po natin ng kunting honey. Yan na siya. And fruits. Enjoy. What's in there? Pickles and... Oh yeah, you want that also at work, Mahal? That I'll put pickles on your lunch?
And a little mayonnaise.
Oh, and a little mayonnaise. Alis tayo, guys. Oh, sorry. Alis kami ni Nathan. Sama kayo. Oh, sorry. Bago ba? Tingnan nyo, nilabas ko na yung mga ano natin, oh. Mga coat po natin. Ito, pang ano pa to siya, ipang fall. Kaya ito, pwede pa natin siya magamit ngayon. Eh, nabili natin to parang mga a year ago or 2 years ago. Hindi ko lang siya agad nagamit, tapos tinago ko. Very good. Very good. Now, we go, we go! Diyan pa din ang gitara natin. Oh, may stand kami sa taas. Natatakot lang ako na stand. Kaya baka matamaan ni Nathan. Maano natin, masira yung ating gitara. Bigay pa naman sa akin yan ng mister ko 7 years ago. Pahinga ka na muna dyan, ha? Baka mabash ka na naman kasi, eh. Jak-jak-jak! Hoy! Let's go! Let's go! We buy something! Bilis, bilis! We're buying for dinner! I have a surprise for both of you for dinner. Mag-ano po tayo, ano yan? Mag-burrito. May paborito yan nilang dalawa. At magpunta na din tayo ulit doon sa MediaMarkt, guys. Kasi nag-order na po ako kahapon ng camera. Diba nakita niyo po sa vlog na naghanap ako ng bagong camera. Kaya itong camera natin ngayon, namumblema na po ako. So nag-order ako kahapon. Ang nangyari, sabi nila pwede na daw kunin sa store. Meron daw silang available doon. Tapos after 5 minutes, sabi nila hintayin ang email. Kaya wala pala silang available. Linlang lang tayo. Maghintay pa daw ng email. Pero tingnan natin, malay nyo. Baka andoon na nakalimutan lang po nila tayong email ulit. Ay, gusto ko na ng guys. Dapat, bago tayo makauwi din ng Pilipinas, meron po tayong, meron tayong bagong camera. Kaya baka doon po ito mag-surrender. Tapos wala po tayong camera. Yun lang, di pwede man ako magbili sa Pilipinas. Pero mas maganda po dito, no, kay para na din sa tax sa kumpanya ko. No, I will put it again, okay? I will put it back.
Why? Why?
Because we don't need that today. Si Daniela, alis po yan. Mag-bye kami ni Nathan. May po siya meeting sa work. Pati sa kanyang doktor. So, we're going to the
action!
sa action. Bye, my love. Take care driving.
You also take care, Mahal.
I love you.
Take extra care because you have him on the back.
Yeah. Bye. Bye-bye. Let's go! May araw po siya pero ang hangin malamig. 15 degrees. Huwag ka matulog, ha? Huwag ka matulog. Bebe, I have a surprise for you. Huh? We're going somewhere. Surprise. Do you know where? 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 Surprise. Lapit na kami, guys. Now we're here. Oh. What is that? We're here. In the surprise. What is that? Nag-aral pa sila. Wala siyang kalaban.
Hello.
Hi. May ano dito, may bata pa. Alis na din po sila ng lolo niya.
Hi.
Oi.
Hi.
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 Enjoy ka dyan, ha? Are you happy sa surprise ni Mama?
What?
Are you happy?
Yes.
O dahil magubad ka kay mainit na. Palaruin na muna natin yan siya dyan, guys. Panakit ang araw, ah. Masama ang tiyan ko. Bakit man ito? Ano bang kinain ko? Yung ginisang ginisang kalabasa. Now, can you go down? Diyos ko. Ingat, ha? Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, and then you go to the maze. Oh. Very good. And then you got it! Wala amang children. Naghanap siya ng mga bata daw.
Why?
Because they're still at school. And you were absent. Kay kung napanood ninyo yung vlog kahapon, nagsuka lang siya sa school, pinauwi ng teacher kay parang masama daw ang pakiramdam.
And now?
And now?
Lifestyle.
And surprise what? Ito na ang surprise ni Mama.
Yay!
Oh, tingnan nyo. Masama pagod ng pakiramdam. May sipon lang siya pero masyado? Energetic. Busog nga lang yun siya. Baka bukas mag-ano ka na naman doon, mag-uwi-uwi ka na naman, ha? Alam mo na ang style, ha?
Why uwi-uwi?
Oh, why uwi-uwi? I love you. Sabihin mo kung gusto mo na mag-uwi, ha? If you want to go, just tell Mama.
Oh, dita.
Oh, nahilo na. Wag na, high blood si Mama. Oh. Dito muna tayo. Hi! Dito lang si Mama kay mainit.
This is very good for you. This is very good.
Ah, this is very good for me. Train! Huh? Huh?
Lava for today.
Yeah. Iba din mga bahay nila dito, guys, oh. Look at the houses, Bibila. Beautiful.
Oh.
And this one too here. Wow.
Little house.
A little house indeed.
Big boat.
Yeah. And the boats.
It's wonderful.
That is beautiful.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Grabe ang background.
More boat.
Yeah, beautiful boat.
It's big.
Yeah, it's big. And here, beautiful houses. Look.
More boat.
Look, guys. Wow.
Boat is big.
I like the house. Do you like the house? No, hindi yan kay Omsiyard. Malayo ang bahay ni Omsiyard dito. Tingnan niyo, tingnan niyo. Wow, I love it. Looks like a castle. Wow. Beautiful houses. And that one, the yellow one, baby love. And the yellow. Wow, beautiful. With a tower up there. Looks like the house of Cinderella. Oh, look at the house with the terrace. Wow. Kamusta ka na dyan? Okay lang? Ay, kanite. Kalayo ng bilihan natin ng steak, guys. Ay, malayo-layo din to sa bahay ba? Pero dahil sa na-discover natin dito, ito. Tata! Ribeye steak for tonight. We buy 3.
3 steaks?
Yeah, 3 steak for tonight. 3 ribeyes. 2 and 1 more. I think better ang entry ko. Magkano entry ko? 579 ang ribeye naman. Kasi mas tingnan nyo. Mas po siya, makapal. Manipis masyado ang ribeye nila ngayon.
How about Tintin?
Tintin daw, tingnan nyo ang sausage. Looks like Tintin, baby. Tingnan nyo ang sausage, guys. All the Tintin, sabi pa ni Nathan, kabuang ng anak ko, eh. Oh, my baby love. Maghanap tayo na. We have a lot at home. Meron tayo sa bahay. Hindi natin kailangan magbili. Ano nga yun? Ito. Yung ripe na avocado. Para sa ating sauce ni Daniel, guys.
Ang watermelon.
Wow.
Pili na ang watermelon.
Okay. Saan tayo magupo para makain mo yung watermelon mo? Kainit man, uy. Mainit pag yung maglakad-lakad ka lang. Pero pag nasabay ka, malamig. Enjoy. Can I have one? Thank you. Picnic pa tayo dito.
Picnic?
This is picnic. Yummy or not yummy?
Yes. Yummy.
It's cold. The watermelon is cold. Daan din tayo mamaya doon sa Media Markt. Tingnan ko kung andyan na yung camera. Pag wala pa, di uwi na tayo.
Watermelon.
Or magdaan tayo kay Bianan, baka nandyan na siya. Dumaan kami kanina eh. Wala po siya, wala ang sasakyan niya. You want to eat this later at home?
No, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm basic out.
Oh, malamig daw ang watermelon niya. Merong IKEA dito, guys. Ayan, oh, IKEA sa taas. Maliit na IKEA. Napuntahan na din po natin yan dati.
IKEA.
There. Upstairs. Malapit na namin maubos. Isa na lang, oh. Sa kanya na yan. Look at that, everyone! Nakuha na natin siya, ang ating bagong camera. Pero itry ko pa to. Kung maganda siya.
What is this?
That's the new camera. Look, super small. Kung maganda yan, i-keep natin. Kung hindi natin magustuhan, pwede man ito ibalik, guys. Siyempre, magpunta din siya dito. Ayan, dito naman tayo. Magtingin-tingin lang yan siya. Tingin-tingin lang ha, walang bili-bili ha. Tingin-tingin lang din yan siya. Kaya napagsabihan na marami na siyang laruan. Where do you want to go? Oh, sa Lego. Hi!
This is a ramshackle.
Okay, free yan siya maglaro-laro dyan. Pabayaan na muna natin siya mag-enjoy sa kanyang buhay. Uuwi nang walang dala. Sakay ka na lang dyan, dali. Sabihin mo lang pagsawa ka na. Kaya mag-alis na tayo. It says, red.
Why?
Diyos ko. Because it's not working? Thank you, baby love. You are the best. You want to look more?
Yes.
Where? You don't want to go to Oma? See if Oma is there?
Yes.
Okay.
Look
Now.
who Oma is there.
Yeah. And then you jump. Boink. Oh, tingnan natin kung nandyan si Oma. Is Oma there? Is Oma there? Is Oma there? Yes! Oma is there! Oh!
Like
Johnny.
Like na Oma.
Yeah, Johnny.
Omdat Oma is niet weg.
Johnny.
Yes, Oma.
Hey, I'm not Oma! You say Johnny to me, baby love.
Johnny.
Yes, Oma.
Say, Johnny, Oma.
Sabihin mo, Johnny.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Johnny, Papa.
Again, last one.
Johnny.
Yes, Nathan.
Yay! Oma.
Hallo. Zijn jullie daar?
Yeah, we went to
Gezellig.
MediaMarkt, Vika.
Oh, oké.
With the
We
bike.
zijn ook in de speeltuin geweest.
Ben je ook in de
Ja.
speeltuin geweest? Nou, wat leuk.
Nou.
Ik zou net even plukken. Ik dacht, wat ga ik eens even doen?
Dat is
How your gardening?
Een surprise.
Surprise! No, I told him surprise that we're going.
Surprise! Gezellig. Kom maar
Vika,
in.
you still have our, yung denier po namin na damit. Yeah. Nag-ano ba kami laba dito. Tapos nilagay sa dryer niya. Later we will get it with Daniel.
Wat willen jullie drinken?
Ah,
best.
thee. Graag.
Thee.
Nee,
School?
hij was niet op school vandaag.
Oh, waarom niet?
Because he went there, Vika, and then he puked, and then the teacher sent him home because maybe he's not feeling well.
Oh,
Yeah.
moest je overgeven, schatje?
I think he was full this morning from the breakfast.
Oh, kom eens even hier. Kom eens even lekker knuffelen met je omaatje.
Vika, we were already here. We were looking at you. Where were you this morning? I mean, where were you before you went home?
Ik was aan het zwemmen.
Ah, daarom.
Binnen.
Oh, what is that?
een boter met paardenboter.
Nag-snack na siya dito. Dito ka, Vicky. Mainit yan. Bandila. Dito ka banda. Now, are you happy we're at Oma?
Yeah.
What is that? That guys.
Oh, God.
Ah, van the balcon of Oma. Kita niyo ba yun, guys?
Groot, hè?
Yeah, super big.
Ik krijg geen havermelk.
How did you get that, Vika? Someone help you?
Ja.
Oh.
Ik krijg geen havermelk. Ik krijg geen
Ja?
havermelk.
De buurman heeft...
Bila, yeah, nagawa pa si Oma. Yung kanyang oat milk. I bought a new camera, Vika. Because this camera is not so good anymore.
Oké.
I'm looking for another one. Tiny hands, very small. This one. I want to try first. Look at that, how small that is, guys. Yeah. That's record. Nag-vlog na si
okay.
Benan, guys.
Kun je openmaken?
Kan ik wat openmaken?
Deze.
Die, dat heeft mama een nieuwe camera gekocht. Aha!
Hindi na siya mag-vlogger, guys. Maghintay
Wat
na
heb jij, Nathan? Wat is dat?
Havermelk.
Vind je dat lekker? Do you like it?
Ja.
Ja, en wij hebben a cup of tea. And here's my art. An elephant.
You like the camera, Vika?
Ja, I like it. Nice. Oh, dan kan ik ook vloggen.
Yeah. Huh?
Bye bye.
Nathan. Pakita daw sa atin ni Vika ang camera niya. Kaya sabi ko nga kaliit-liit. Ano na lang daw ang camera niya. Ganyan siya kaliit. Tingnan niyo.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
I have een havermelk.
Oh, you have a havermelk?
Ik heb heel veel camera's.
Mm? The very old one, Vika. The oldest.
Oh, the oldest. I don't know. That's this one, I think.
Oh, ay, that's new. Uy.
Waar
You know
heb
that
de
such
camera?
thing is still new. Oh, yeah. Oh, why are you not using it, Vika? For pictures.
Ik doe het nou met...
Telefoon.
I use my telephone, yeah.
Yeah.
But you can take nice pictures of it. Right?
Mangingiyot din pa dito sa
Yeah.
Ibianan.
No battery.
Camera of Oma Baby Love. So groot, hè? Wow.
Mag ik je zien of niet?
Ja, maar hij doet het niet, want er zit geen
Geen batterij.
batterij. Die moet ik opladen. Kijk maar eens.
Ja, niet.
Hallo.
What if, Vika, what if I'm using this for vlogging and I'm doing like that?
Hallo, hallo. Hi.
It's normal. No one will get that here, Vika, right?
Heb je hem op slot?
Yeah.
Ja. Nou.
Lakad-lakad daw kami, guys. Nagbike si Nathan.
Jawel, de wind is best
Ja.
wel frisjes.
It's cold.
Hey, leuk toch?
Where? Oh, yeah. That one, guys. Oh.
Mijn
From Oma. Yung
Oh, die
ano
gaat
dyan,
nog.
blue.
Ja, maar dat is als we in de tuin
Yeah, is mooi daar, Vika.
Ja.
Dito na naman tayo sa pa-bridge niya.
Kruis.
Hala, look at the apple tree, baby love. All red now. Oh, they have all the apples in the world.
Waar?
There, you can see. Yeah. Super red. Let's go.
Wees hardlopen.
De appel is
Gratis appels.
Yeah. Free
De appel is gaan groeien.
Yeah.
Zijn we
All the apples in the world.
in dat boom? Maar
Ingat ha, ingat ka sa mga Makati ha. Ingat sa mga Makati Nathan, dyan ka lang. No, that's too high, Vika, I think. Ingat ka dyan ha, sa mga Makati ha. Baka may mga Makati dyan. O mahulog ka sa tubig ha. Hala. Kamila. That cannot be Vika.
Daar is er ook een van hier.
Yeah.
En dit zou wel
The small one. Sa taas, puro red. Yeah.
Kijk uit. Wat? Ga hier ook nog eens schudden.
No, it's not going like this, Vika. Hala, sige. Oy, Nathan, come here.
Waarom? Waarom wij?
Oh, madut krak. Pataka ka dyan, ano ng mga plants, ha? Baka iba na yung naano mo dyan. Uy, Diyos ko. You will fall, Vika.
Cijferblaadje afgehaald.
You will fall
Ik
there.
heb zo'n cijferblaadje afgehaald.
Oh, okay. Did you count it?
Ja. Ik heb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cijferblaadjes.
Oh. Now, kijk wat oma heeft.
2 appels.
Grote appel.
Wow, dat looks mooi. Look.
Grote appel.
Zullen we eens passen? Proeven?
Oh, fresh from the tree. Sour Vika.
Nathan, toch?
Nou, we gaan.
Deze moet...
Vind je lekker of niet?
Wat is dat?
Ik weet
Als je het
niet.
niet lekker vindt, dan gooi je hem in het water.
Ja.
Vind je hem lekker?
Gooi maar in de water.
Nee. Gooi
Ga je hem opeten?
Nou, voorzichtig zijn, hè. Pas op, pas op. Nou, ga maar gooien. Hier. Is genoeg. 1, 2. Gooien. Goed zo.
Daar ging een grote bom.
Bloem.
Je moet laten proeven.
Oh, dat is lekker. Appelmoes. Nagawa daw siya ng apple mousse, guys. Galing yung apple na pinanggawa niya. Galing sa garden ng anak niya. Sa kapatid po ni Daniel. Nagpulot na ng mga ano.
Ja, heb je handen vol, joh.
Ja.
Dat is gewoon drogen.
Ik heb 7 blaadjes.
7 ano daw. 7
Dit, hè?
leaves.
Mij hoor ik een eentje.
Waar is de eentje?
Kijken.
Verder.
Verder.
En dan ga ik naar beneden.
Voorzichtig, hè? Hm?
Hier, nog een keer.
Ka-50 na naman. Bukas pa tayo matapos nito dito. Pasop! 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 Yay! And then? Hello. Oh. Nou, we gaan.
Dan gaan we een ander paardje doen.
Even blaadjes.
7 leaves. Andito pa rin ang ano niya. Mga leaves niya, guys. Dala-dala niya pa din. Show us! Tikim daw tayo ng apple mousse ni Bianan. Self-made, guys. Homemade. I just want to try from not.
Lekker, hè?
Hala, kadami pa nang nilagay.
Hoe smaakt dat?
Als appels.
Ja, als appeltje.
Lekker, bebelab.
Ja.
Si Daniel, guys, papunta na din po dito. Magkuha ng mga damit namin. Ng mga pinalabhan po namin dito. Tapos siya na din magdala kay Nathan. Magbike na lang po tayo pa uwi. Tapos magluto pa ako. May bisita po si Bianan, yung best friend niya na babae. Kaya maglasan niya po siya.
Oma.
Tinanong niya ako kung pwede ba siya manood ng TV. Sabi ko pag magluto ako sa bahay, makanood siya. Ngayon, kaya magluto daw ang Oma niya, manood daw siya. Tingnan mo, magpa-take out si Oma ng apple mousse. Then you can eat that for dessert. Oh. The sauce of the lasagna.
Let's see.
Sabi ko, lutuin niya ito next time magkain tayo dito. I want to try this one.
Gebruik jij olijf of is het zonnebloem?
Zonnebloem. The ingredients niya. Next time, Vika, let's cook this, Vika.
Ja, oké.
I really want to try that.
Ja.
Kung ano ba, parehas ba siya sa Greenwich style. Pero parang hindi yan, Dutch style yan. Not a lot, Vika, right? Just to...
Ja.
Bibila, Papa is here. Hello. Na, busy. Oh.
Straks denk je dat jullie hier eten.
No, I don't think so. I told him that we're going home. Yeah, but that's not for us.
Ja, dat was ik al bang voor dat dat niet voor ons is.
Yeah, I told her to cook that next time, mahal. That we're here.
Nou, hoe was het dan?
Lasagna.
Oh, lasagna.
Yeah, in the box.
What are we eating?
We're eating burrito.
Oh, yummy.
Yes, of course. Hindi tayo
Who is
papatalo.
making guacamole?
You!
Oh, great.
We need to buy paprika and coriander. That's
Okay,
all.
but we have stuff for the guacamole.
Yeah. When are you taking that out? Your big?
I don't have a bathroom.
Tomorrow, let's take shower here again. Wow! With all the tomatoes in the world.
Lekker, hè?
And then the cheese. After that, the cheese, Vika.
Ja.
Grabe ito, guys. Our lasagna is not like that. In the Philippines, not with tomatoes, no. No, guys, right? Saan? Greenwich.
No, your lasagna mahal. It is with
And no vegetables, I think, Vika.
no, it's
there's
with
a lot of
cream and then with fruit cocktail
No,
and then
no
with
fruit
cheese and then it's cold.
Huwag
That's your
sure,
lasagna.
Huwag sure.
And then instead of lasagna, you
Judgmental.
call it fruit salad with pasta in it. Cheese.
Macaroni.
Cheese ba?
That's macaroni, mahal. That's not lasagna, mahal.
Still pasta.
Damit natin nandito na, guys.
Grapjes.
Our clothes, mahal, ha?
Dan heb ik vliegles.
You go with Papa, okay?
Ik heb een vlieg.
Tama na, guys. Tapusin na natin itong mga kabuang natin for today's video. Huwag nyo nang tingnan ang aming ang aming dinner. Kaya nakita nyo na yan, burrito. Ha? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow kung hindi absent. Mag-bike ako. Thank you so much, Vika.
Oké. Tot later.
Tot later.
Mama,
So what did I need to get? Coriander.
Coriander. I can get it.
Oh yeah, you can get it too.
Yeah, because Nathan is with you, then I'll just get it myself.
Gaat de huis of niet?
Magdaan na muna ako ng ano.
Yan zijn naar de huis met papa in de auto.
Doei, Vika.
Bye, my love.
Bye bye.
Bye!
Bye bye.